40 years ago, we made the commitment to provide health care and promote wellness to all members of our communities, especially to those most in need. Neighborhood Health Care is a private, nonprofit community health organization that provides comprehensive medical and dental services to those in need in Palma Valley.
Hi, Munchkin. How's her appetite? She's eating okay? She's eating okay.
Our commitment is especially strong to children, who otherwise might have to go without care.
The children are vulnerable and sometimes unprotected in our society, and we feel a special obligation to the kids.
It is a diverse population that we see here at our health center. The vast majority live below the federal poverty line. They are the uninsured working poor, migrants, and the homeless.
Without health care, how can you enjoy a quality life?
We all need to share life together here in Southern California.
Respira, la boca abierta.
They meet the needs of the community by providing a lot of different services.
We try to address all the needs within our four walls that we can.
The health of the least affects the health of us all. By taking care of those who do not have health insurance or access to health care, we are protecting our community's workforce. Seeing thousands of patients takes the burden off area emergency rooms. Valley babies are thankfully healthy because of the prenatal care their mothers received at Neighborhood Health Care Palma. And treating children in need ensures a healthier generation.
In many ways, I think we're looked at as the safety net, and in fact, that's how we define ourselves, and others do too.
If it wasn't for neighborhood health care, I would have died.
I don't know how I would have got treatment any other way.
Thank you so much for treating me like a person and really seeming to care about me.
Every time a patient comes through the door, it's a challenge financially.
A challenge that needs to be shared with the community in order for neighborhood health care to continue accomplishing its mission. We need your involvement. There are many ways to be supportive. You can leave us in your will. You can help through financial donations with our capital campaigns or for patient visits. And you can volunteer for one of our many programs.
An association with Neighborhood Health Care
is an association with excellence.
Invest in the health of your community and get involved today. Call 760-520-8365 or email us at gifts@nhcare.org.
And if you have time and money or anything else, any of those things that you can give back help you to sleep better, to be healthier, and to be happier.